Today's experiment is jar test apparatus. This experiment is generally conducted for determining the optimum coagulant dose and pH for coagulation. Sample in this experiment is prepared with the help of a reactive red dye 120, and we are going to use magnesium chloride as coagulant. In this experiment there are two parts. First part is optimizing the pH, which we are going to perform now. In this we have kept different pH in 6 beakers from right to left. You can see the control is the first one, the second is pH 10, third is 11 pH, 12, 12.5 and 13. Okay, every beaker has 1 liter of sample, and we are now going to add a constant dose of magnesium chloride. Okay. So we are now adding magnesium chloride. So now we are doing the flash mixing. For that we will keep a RPM of around 100 for 1 minute for flash mixing of the coagulant. Now slowly reduce it to 40 RPM. Now this is our slow flocculation. We'll keep it like this for 30 minutes. Okay, now 30 minutes have elapsed. Now we will stop the rotation. Okay, now we are going to do the second part of our experiment, which is optimizing the coagulant dose. From our first experiment, what we have found is that the 12.5 pH was an optimum pH. What we have found is on 12.5 pH and 13 we got a similar absorbance value, nearly similar. For maintaining the pH 13 we will need more chemical, therefore we have decided and it is observed that we will restrict ourselves to 12.5 pH only. So now by optimizing all the samples there except for control, we have maintained the pH 12.5 in it. Now we will be varying the coagulant dosage. The coagulant dosage which will be varied are like 60 milligram per liter, 90 milligram per liter, 120, 150 and 180 milligram per liter from right to left. Okay, now we will add our coagulant dose. Okay, so now for 1 minute we will be doing our flash mixing. Now we are reducing our rotation and bringing it down to 40 rpm. I will wait for 30 minutes.